Every homeowner wants their home to be safe and secure. Certainly one way to do this is by installing lighting. Now we have a floodlight here in this eave, and that is great, but something that would make it even better is to have a motion detector sensor. That way if there's any movement out here, that will pick it up. We have carriage lights that we have at our front doors, and in paths sometimes we have path lighting. Something that is also a really good idea is to have low voltage lighting at the sides or in the riser of your stairs. That way the treads are illuminated and people aren't going to trip going up and down. Something that a lot of people overlook is the effect of their greenery around the outside of their house. This is a beautiful azalea, but look how it's hiding this window. If we cut this down just a little bit, it's going to let more light go into the room. It's going to make the window visible from the outside, and it is going to increase the safety because then there won't be any place for an intruder to obscure themselves. So think about that around your house, give those a trim, and increase your security.